Okay, hi, welcome to this video introducing our Spinergy Design Lab, which can be found on our website under products and choosing wheelchair. The Design Lab page will open up, and from this platform you will be able to design and configure your own custom wheel set. We start by choosing a model up in the upper right hand corner under Catalog. And from here we can choose 6 different models, everyday and sport wheel options. We'll start with our most popular option, the LX, as an example. So we have the LX wheel chosen, and then we're going to go back to the home page, and the first option available, we can choose the rim color. We have black, blue, gold, red, purple, and green. We can look at each color individually and see what it does to the rim as we select each color. Today I'm going to design a gold wheel. I'm going to go with a gold rim. I'm going to go back, I'm going to choose my hub. I'm also going to make that gold from these different options. All the spokes are black here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the outside spokes orange. So now we have orange on the outside, black on the inside with gold hub and rim. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black line and this orange cross section, and I'm going to make that white. How I do that is I go back and I look at outside spokes, and then I choose outside individual spokes. What this does is we'll highlight each spoke with a number and or letter to the corresponding position of each spoke. So I'm doing A and D, or I'm doing 5 and 2. So these are outside spokes. I'm choosing individual outside. I'm going to choose spoke number 2 to be white. I'm going to go back. I'm going to choose number 5. That will also be white. Then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to choose inside individual spokes. There we see the offering of the alphanumeric letter. I'm going to choose A. I'm going to make that white. I'm going to go down to D also here and choose white. Once the wheel is complete, and this is what I want, now I have a totally custom spoke configuration with a gold rim and a gold hub. I just hit the back, inside, all the way back to the Design Lab platform here, to the home where we started. I can submit my name and email and be contacted by a Spinergy customer service representative who will help me complete my order.